We're back on it. Somebody dropped this car off in this driveway, or somebody, I don't know why this car is parked where it's at, but somebody left this car here, left the windows cracked on a rainy day. Anyway, they've called us to tow it, so we're going to load this thing up. This little Buick Regal, it's kind of strange how that vehicle wound up there with the windows cracked, like somebody dumped that car in a hurry, especially when it's a newer car. It don't have a scratch on it. They left the windows down, parked where just off the road. Looks like they pulled off the road and ran. Well, I guess we'll find out. We'll run the VIN number and see if it's hot. Maybe a stolen vehicle. You just can't never tell. But if it is a stolen vehicle, I will update it on that on the video, and we'll figure it out. Figure out what happened with it. Anyway, I just talked to one of the guys that works over here. I just got confirmation about this other car, and they want it gone. So I'm fixing to back up and load it. You leave a car sitting in a parking place. If you leave it sitting there too long, they're going to tow it. It's just how they do. They're property managers. They're required to keep the property up, and that's what they do. They got to tow cars to keep the property from looking rough. Then they'll tow them. That's how it works. Anyway, we're up here and sign this one out. Hey there, this is Tow Trucker. We're back. We got somebody blocking the garage here at this apartment complex. They just called in and said there's a vehicle. I got a tag number to make model of the vehicle. I got to hook it. They're blocking somebody's garage. We'll see what happens. That must be the gentleman that's blocked in right there. This must be his garage they're blocking. And that must be the SUV. Now, so that's the fourth time they've done it?
Yeah, 4 different times. I left 3 notices on there, and one was girls stuck to the window.
Wow, they just do it. They just don't disregard, huh?
They don't care.
Yeah.
And then that lady put that sign up on there.
Just keep calling. We'll come get them. Thank you, sir. Anyway, we're back at the lot. We got the road to the lot, and the gentleman I talked to over there, the one that called his manager because the car was blocking his garage, he said this car had been blocked his garage 4 times, and I think this is the first time it actually got towed. A lot of people think this type of tow is predatory, and I guess in a sense it is predatory. But it's the only thing that works. It's the only thing that keeps people from repeating the same behavior. This person's a repeat offender that keeps blocking somebody else's garage. You know, what are you supposed to do? You can put all the stickers in the world on their car, but they're going to continue to do the same thing until you tow it. And that's why we tow these cars. People can dispute it, and they can put bad comments in my comment section. But I don't care, man. I know what works, and so do the property managers. They know towing works, and that's why they do it. Anyway, hey there. We're back on another property here. We got this manager. I just left their office, and I just talked to her. She said she's got a couple cars that have been here forever. And one of them's that white van over there. Anyway, I'm fixing to back up and get them loaded, get them off the property. We'll see what happens.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. You're gonna have to
The other one, I sold it. Yeah.
I'm the property manager.
Okay.
So he said he just bought the vehicle today. Is that right?
Yeah, yes, right. I have the title right there.
Okay.
yeah.
I guess.
I mean, I was saying he just bought it, but look how it's been sitting here for.
Actually, hey, you can put it right there. Is it wrong? It's wrong, yeah.
Yeah.
I got the keys here.
It's been sitting there for, like I said, she said it's been sitting here for a long
No,
time.
it has, yeah. So, and I spoke to him last week, and he said he knew who had it. So I said we're having it towed this week.
Well, he's gonna have to pay it out. He can pay it out if he wants. I mean, it's already loaded. If I wasn't loaded, that's
he
the
already
thing.
loaded it up.
Yeah.
You know? I don't have any control.
How much
It's $100 to drop on
I'm
property.
gonna give you 50. That's okay.
It's not my money. It's company. It's not. I don't put it in my pocket. It goes to the company.
Okay, can you put it right there in the back?
I don't have any control.
No, I'm saying if he wants to pay, if he pays it out, if he's talking about if he pays it out.
As soon the office they open the tag office, I change the title in my name.
Okay.
Okay.
You got a spot you want to put it?
here on site.
No. It's running. It's running.
Okay.
It's running.
Okay. I think it runs. He's got a job. Pretty sure it runs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Where do you want? Where do you? Where,
Right there.
If
you got a spot? You let me know. Let me write your receipt, and we'll move it. We'll move it there.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, if you want,
Hey,
just pay me one.
Hey, I respect. Okay.
Yeah.
This guy he works for the company. Okay.
Yeah. Hey, just I'll write your receipt and all.
Don't worry about the receipt.
Well, I have to do that.
I'm Latino.
Hey, listen.
Boss.
This guy's actually a pretty nice guy. He knew what happened. It got towed before he got there, and he's not the entitled kind of person. He understood that it was going to get towed because the manager told him last week it was going to get towed, and he just didn't get there in time. But it's nice dealing with people that understand the repercussions of when stuff like this happens and it gets towed. He completely understood that he was gonna have to pay it, and he didn't have no problem paying it. Anyway. If you'd have got here, hey, 1 minute quicker.
I know.
Hey, no problem.
Somebody's waiting for me because I want to buy beers.
Yeah.